and welcome back to Anime, Manga, and More. And today we have the more. I'm so excited. I really did enjoy the last box. I cannot wait until I open this one. But before we begin, if this is your first video or your 5th video and you enjoy what you see, please hit the like button. Also, a new video drops every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss another video. If you really enjoyed the video, please share it with everyone you know who would love to watch it. That would be awesome. So let's go ahead and get to opening the box. You notice I did not open it. If you've been on my channel, you know I do not open these boxes until I actually get them and open them on camera. So I am excited. I really enjoyed the first box that I received. I even got a $10 gift certificate to Yutta. It was Yutta-Japan, which I spent a lot more money on. And if you want to see what I have on, I believe that part 1 is currently out. And I would have it down in the description down below so you can check it out if you haven't already seen it. So let's go ahead and get this opened. I'm really excited. I got my table here. And you have been on my channel, you do know that I do not look into it either. I go in completely blind, so I have no idea what I'm getting. Get this open here. Okay. Alright, there we go. And I will get the first item here. Okay, I know the character, but I do not remember the show. Let's see here. I wonder if it says... I think she's a pillow. She's really soft. I would have to probably... I'll see exactly what she is, see if I need to take her out of the plastic or not, because I think she's a pillow, but I'm not quite sure. Let's go ahead and check to see what the next item is. Everything's in plastic. Oh, nice! It looks like a bleach bag. It's a, looks like almost like a pencil. Oh, that's interesting. Never seen. I see it looks like a pencil bag, but it velcros. So that's actually pretty neat. I like that. That's cool. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the next thing is. Oh, I think this is some, it's definitely some kind of snack. I'm not quite sure if it's rice or not. I will go ahead and check it out with the pamphlet when I actually get to it. It feels like there may be seaweed in here, so I will have to see what exactly this is. So it seems like we definitely get food items. I know my last food item was a tea. So I was interested in this. Oh, it's a little ball. This character looks familiar. He's just a little ball. It's like a raccoon. Or not a raccoon, but a tanuki. I believe that's what they're called. So that is cute. Let's see here. And actually, I'm liking a lot of the stuff that I'm getting. Oh, watch that. Let's get this out. Okay, it is Mysterious White Box, so we will see what it is. Oh, it's a cup. Oh, okay, yeah, this makes me happy. Tokyo Revengers cup. Oh my gosh. If you are not watching Tokyo Revengers, you need to be watching Tokyo Revengers. It is actually really good. I am still watching it. I don't know how many episodes that they're planning on airing, because when I'm looking at Mal, it shows it with question marks, so I'm unsure. But this is awesome. I I don't know if I'd want to use it because I'd be afraid that the paint would come off. Even if I hand wash it, I'd still be kind of afraid. Loving this. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I think we got our last item, which is the figure. See if she comes out. Oh, I didn't get a pamphlet. So, I know that she is from Love is War or something like that. But I don't have any figures from her. And I'm guessing I can't figure out exactly what this is unless I actually open it, because there's no pamphlet this time. So they forgot the pamphlet. That is fine because I pretty much know almost everything else that I've gotten. Let's go ahead and get her open here. Nicely packaged. She reminds me of how they have the other one packaged, which is really nice. I do like her stand. Kaguya, that was her name. Her stand is really pretty. Really pretty pink. I do like that. Get her open here. That. There we go. And that is her. I will have a full 360 of her and some closer shots. It is a kind of a basic figure, but that's perfectly fine. She is really cute though. I've only seen season 1 of Love is War, but I haven't seen any more than that. To tell you the truth, I kind of got bored of it. So, but it looks like that is it. I, again, really enjoyed everything. I love the figure. She's cute. I'll have to figure out what this is because I don't really know. By looking at it, it may be rice, it may be seaweed. I'm not quite sure. It could be both. Really do love this bag. That's pretty nice. I'm not sure what I would do with this little guy. Probably just put him somewhere on a shelf. He's cute. Keep him in here so he doesn't get dusty. And then this, I think she is probably a pillow. I just don't want to take her out. So I think I'll just leave her in here because I don't think that she's anything than a pillow. And right now I don't really have anywhere to put her, and if I do take her out, if I can't have her up, I feel like my cats will probably verify her, so that's why I'm not going to take her out. She's going to stay in here until I figure out what I'm going to do with her. So that was the Nihon-Box. I believe it was for August. I think it's for August. I don't think it's for September. If I have that wrong, I'll put it somewhere over here exactly what month this is going to be for. But it is the 2021 box. I really do hope that you enjoy it. Did you guys get the box as well? Did you guys get everything that I gotten? Do you enjoy it? Or have you not gotten Nihon-Box and now you're kind of interested in getting one yourself? Please let me know in the comments down below. And you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!